Hey guys, today we're doing Metsubishi blinding powders using eggs. It's the egg shell we're interested in and we want that whole. So what we need to do is get the stuff inside, get it out. To do that we crack a little hole up one end and that's the end. We blow in and do not suck, that's not great, right? And the other end will be a little bit of a bigger hole and that's where all the goop comes out.
And so today we're going to be using nails. I've got a teeny tiny nail to be delicate and Dad has a giant nail, but needles work as well. Alright.
There we go.
This is where the ninja part comes in.
Yeah. Then a blur.
Is this what you people want?
Now we're going to seal the blowing hole because it's a small one. And that's purely, we just do that by putting a bit of wax on here. Sweet.
So for my wet mixture, I'm using peppercorns, cayenne pepper and hot sauce. You want to use anything that you do not want to get in your eyes. So wasabi, horseradish, anything like that. And for our powder, we're going to be using flour because it explodes.
Problem with flour is getting it in. Ain't that easy. Use the sauce bottle.
Yeah, getting it in the sauce bottle wasn't as easy.
No, that's true. The next most important thing is to name them and face them.
Oh, he's evil.
Very.
So he's going to be Patrick Warburton.
But Patrick Warburton's not evil. We call him Don because he's a mafia boss.
Don't pour it all in, there's too much in there for this.
Yep. As if I would.
As if you would. Stop. And now that I've made a really big hole to put the funnel in, it's going to be hard to seal. So we've got another piece of egg from one of our broken eggs from earlier. And I'm going to lay that on top, and that'll give us a bit of a better base to get that wax on.
Yeah, I'll see. There we go. What's wrong with that?
Pristine. It looks pretty cute.
Okay.
Should we seal the rest?
Let's do it. Okay, seal it, girl. No!
Alright, hold it, boy. Let me seal that side
Let
first.
me peel that wax off my hand.
You big baby. It looks like he's screaming.
Sweet. Moby's ready to party.
Oh my god, he's got a little fringe.
So as Mick comes in, I'm going to go defensive and go 45 degrees back. Get myself out of the way of the bat. That's the first key. So this comes in, away, clear of the bat. My blinding powder, I will break. And it could distract it, could make it come this way, or I have a choice of just crushing. So we hit, I throw it in her face. I've still got to throw it at her. If it was car keys or a ball or something, I need to put it in her face to get the distraction to give me the time. So I fall back out of the way, break in her face, get out of there. Alright, when she attacks, step inside her, break the egg in her face, which allows me to walk around and do some sort of technique. Get my knife out, one in there.
So same thing goes for the wet egg. So what I'm going to do is as he swings, I'm going to walk past, crack the egg into his eyes, onto his face, push him and just keep on walking. Kia ora everyone, with my head is also my Mick.
I'm Dad, and that was Metsubishi blinding powders. Bit of fun to make, bit of fun to use.
Yeah.
Hey, why not?
If you're going to try these ones at home, please be careful and responsible so no one gets hurt.
Don't be irresponsible.
Ah! Have an awesome day, bye!
Yeah. Exceptional bit of dialogue. Right, so just a bit of wax there.
Oh,
What's it called?
what's that called? What him called?